So hi guys, we're back again with some more isolation creations. It's me, Magic Matt, and we're going to be making a Trader Vic Mai Tai. So it's a really simple recipe. It dates back to around about the 1940s from Trader Vic himself, and it means out of this world in Tahitian. Fun fact for you. So it's really simple. It's rum, orange liqueur, almond syrup, sugar or gum, and some fresh lime. So we're going to get started with some fresh limes. So it's a whole lime per cocktail. So I'm making 2 cocktails, one for me, one for our lass. So we're going to go ahead and squeeze that lime in there. It might seem like a lot of lime juice, but there's a lot of sweet stuff going in there as well. And we're going to save 1/2 of lime for later. Okay, so that's that. Let's do some almond syrup. So you can get almond syrup from the shops. It's called Orgeat, spelled O-R-G-E-A-T. So it's a French almond syrup, or you can make your own if you want to go online, Google how to make an almond syrup, or if you're really struggling you can use Amaretto, but make sure you use proper Amaretto and not Di Serrano, because that's made with apricots. 1/2 ounce of this, so let's go with that. That's around about there. Okay, the same with our sugar syrup. Now this sugar syrup is called a rock candy syrup, so it's 2 parts sugar to 1 part water. I pre-measured this earlier, and that's again another 1/2 ounce. It's really nice and thick and syrupy. So the sweetness of this and the sweetness of that should counteract that sour lime. 1/2 ounce of this as well, but I'm making 2, so it's a full ounce. Okay, and then 2 ounces of rum per cocktail. So that's what we call an 8 count. Alright, it doesn't quite fit on there easily, so that were a bit of a mess, but we'll be alright. Get your ice, give it a shake, get it in. I'm back with my big ice. Big ice. Alright, I've also got some fresh mint as well, and I'll show you why in a second. Glasses. You don't always want big ice. Bit of crushed ice in there. I had to smash these up with a rolling pin. So in his original recipe as well, Trader Vic uses a 17-year-old Ray and Nephew rum. I don't have a 17-year-old. Closest I've got is a 15-year-old rum from Peru, so it's probably the closest I can find. Look at that. And then this little guy, now traditionally, should be sat upside down, and then your mint, you give your mint a little bit of a clap. Clap your NHS, clap for your mint. Just releases all them aromas. Okay, and that's supposed to sit on there like that. And it's supposed to look like an island, it's supposed to represent an island. And there you are. 1 Trader Vic Mai Tai. Cheers. Beautiful. Strong, but beautiful.